In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or update photos on your Zillow listing. 2026 guide. Keeping your listing photos fresh is one of the easiest ways to make your home stand out. If you've remodeled, decluttered, or simply want to improve the order of your gallery, Zillow makes it straightforward to control what buyers see. Start by heading to Zillow.com and signing into the account connected to your property. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon, then choose your home. This area is your control center for any properties tied to your login, so it's where you'll always return to make updates. Select the property tile you want to work on. On the property page, find the Edit Listing or Manage button. Clicking this opens Owner View, which is where you can change details beyond the basic address and headline. If you don't see these options, double check that you're in the correct property and signed into the right account. Now scroll to the photo section. To remove an image, click the photo you no longer want and use the delete or remove image option when the prompt appears. Confirm the removal and that image will be taken out of the public gallery. If you're replacing a dated photo, go ahead and upload the newer version next. To add new photos, click the blue Add New Photo button and select the files from your device. Clear, well-lit landscape shots tend to perform best. Try to avoid close duplicates and make sure rooms are shown from angles that help buyers understand the layout. To rearrange the gallery, click and hold any photo and drag it into the order you prefer. Moving a picture into the first slot sets it as your cover photo. That image is the thumbnail buyers see in search results. So choose a strong exterior or hero interior shot for maximum impact. A quick note about how updates flow. If you're selling for sale by owner, your photo edits usually appear right away or shortly after a brief review. If your home is listed by an agent through the MLS, Zillow pulls photos from the MLS automatically. In that case, ask your agent to change the photos in the MLS, and Zillow will sync those updates within about 24 hours. When you're finished, click Save Changes or Update for Sale. By owner, give it a minute, then refresh the page to confirm the old images are gone and the new order looks right. That's it. Consistently curating your gallery keeps your listing competitive and showcases your home at its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.